Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send or share your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So simply head into your Monopoly Go application. And then after clicking this, just wait for it, and there is it. I'm now inside my Monopoly Go game. And then as you can see, on the bottom position of the screen, there are different things that you can see, like the wins button, build interface, album, and friends. So for this video, we want to send a link on Facebook to our friends. So just simply click this friends, and then there's it. You can also explore different tabs inside this interface, like timeline and leaderboard. Now go back to our add friends, and then click this green button, which indicates the invite text. Click the invite, and then click the invite blue button, which has a Facebook icon. After clicking this, select a application like Messenger. And then there's it. We can now send our Monopoly Go link in Facebook. Just simply hit send, and that's it. And that is how to send your Monopoly Go link in Facebook. And thank you for listening.